Hello everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and today we are in Cancun and we are going to take a look at Charisma's Generations Resort. This generation is focused on families. It is very family centric, great for families, great for toddlers, and you'll notice on our quick room walkthrough that they even provide cribs, strollers, high chairs, changing tables, bottle warmers. Stick with me, take a look at this room, and stick around a little bit longer at the end after the quick room walkthrough. I'll put some other footage of this beautiful Generations Resort so you guys can take a peek at it and even see the wedding locations. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to start by taking a look around on the balcony. You can see that these rooms at Generations all face the ocean, and the bottom 3 levels have swim out suites. So every room has a swim out suite. Can you imagine what your kids would think if you're on the first floor and you can swim right out of your suite and swim along the side of the building to the main pool and go right over to the pool bar and order a drink? They would love that. So these suites are very relaxing. The views are beautiful. You really can't go wrong with one of the swim out suites at Generations Resort. Nice relaxing couch and chair, and there's a table. Inside the room here you can see the bed and the sliding doors here that go into the living room that has a pull-out sofa. You saw there was a stroller, there is a crib. All of this is provided for you by Generations, so you don't need to bring it. Here is a full shower and the toilet closet. Dual vanities, a bathtub for the little ones. There's a changing table and a diaper genie and a step stool for the kids so that they can reach. You can see a better view of the room here, and table and nightstands. And here's your view that looks out into your swim out suite. Here's the living room. Again, you see the stroller, and that's a pull-out sofa. Here's a larger view of the entire room, and you can see the sliding doors for privacy in between the main bedroom and the living room. And here you go. Here is the bar, snack bar. Everyone likes snacks. Look at these adorable chairs that are by the pool, and you can see this is the outside of the building. You can see the chapel way in the distance on the right hand side there, but this is the outside of the building, so you can see how all the swim out suites are arranged. And the top 2 floors are ocean view rooms, but they don't have the swim out suites. Here's a little toddler pool area. And there's a nice refreshing breeze at the resort right now. Right next door to Generations is the new Nickelodeon Hotel, which at the time of making this video was not quite open yet. But the Nick Hotel is getting ready to open, and it will be very similar in style, but all the rooms will be swim out suites there. This is the Skywalk. It is perfect for weddings if you want to have a wedding that overlooks the ocean. If you see there are boards there on the bottom behind the plants, those likely will not be there. Those boards are there because there was a little bit of damage sustained from a recent storm that came through, but those boards will be removed. Lots of room for many guests and a wedding party right over the top of the ocean. If you would rather have a more formal wedding experience than over the ocean, then there's this little chapel right at the end of Generations Resort that is perfect. And everything is family friendly. The chapel is beautiful and it has amazing views of the ocean. Again, my name is Melissa. I'm with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners. I appreciate you watching my video and taking a look around Charisma's Generations Resort. PixieDustAdventures.com is my website. Visit that. You'll be able to contact me, find my email, find my phone number, look me up, and contact me to help you plan your vacation with complimentary concierge planning. That's right, no additional fees to plan your vacation through me, and it's based on countless hours of personal experience and professional training. So look me up at PixieDustAdventures.com. Give me a call, send me an email, give me a shout. Put some comments in the comments below, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notifications when we post new videos of our adventures. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.